Hey yo everyone, this is your mem ulit.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
Hey yo, this Hey yo, this is your memo queen Venessa Mendoza and I create content about life, art, and adventure. And if you are interested for more richer, more texture, and more fun search for grace and transcendence, consider subscribing to my channel. And for our memo content for today ay dadalhin ko kayo sa isa sa pinakamalapit sa puso ko at isa rin sa pinakamalapit na art gallery dito sa Batangas, ang Eskinita Art Farm na matatagpuan sa Hanopol, Tanawan City, Batangas. And dahil nga gusto ko mapuntahan mo ito, tuto ka lang hanggang dulo dahil ituturo ko kung paano pumunta dito and ano pang pwede mong expect ng mga bagay at marami pang iba. And gusto ko rin na masaksihan mo ang mga amazing artworks from different local artists from different parts of the Philippines. So, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! Let's go! Eskinita Art Farm is an artist-run project established in 2020 by Alfredo Esquilio. It is located at Purok 5, Hanopol, Occidental, Tanawan City, Batangas, with a good view of famous Taal Lake and Taal Volcano, with features such as spaces for art studio, art gallery, cafe, and program for art residency and mentoring for young artists. Eskinita Art Farm first opened its doors in September 25, 2020 with 2 shows during the pandemic and while political turmoils confronted Philippine society. So when we first visit Eskinita Art Farm last June 2020, we witnessed artworks from different local artists and their series of obra maestra with an exhibit viewing from May 9 to June 20, 2021. Then recently, last January this year, ay bumalik ako ulit para naman samahan ng isa sa mga dearest friend ko for her to witness also this astonishing beauty and talents na talaga namang maipagmamalaki natin in art industry. And we witnessed different artwork na may exhibiting view from January 16, 2020 until February 18, 2022. And naabutan rin namin ang isa sa mga masterpiece na laro ni Eugene Varona de la Cruz. Second na pag-uusapan naman natin ay how to get there. Paano nga ba pumunta sa Eskinita Art Farm? First, need po natin magpa-appoint because they are accepting visits and attendance to the show by appointment through sending a message at 0917-885-0730. And also, you may visit their official Facebook page for more informations. Eskinita Art Farm is open from 11 a.m. up until 5 p.m. Tuesdays to Sundays, and always remember wearing face mask during your visit is highly advisable. Usapan naman natin ang location kung biyahe ka man o may sarili kang sasakyan. Siyempre, kung biyahe ka, if you are not near in the area where Eskinita is located from, you have to travel to Tanawan City, Batangas. Again, Eskinita Art Farm is located at Purok 5, Hanopol Occidental, Tanawan City, Batangas. From Tanawan Terminals, you may direct in terminal of tricycle called Hatoda or Hanopol Toda, specifically paibaba. You may find Victory Mall na nasa tapat ng Tanawan Shopper Mart or TSM na tinatawag, McDonald's at Wrap and Carry. Mula rito, pupunta kayo sa kantong ito na kung saan nakalocate ang Puroy Salon or this building. Then walk lang tayo at makikita nyo na ang Korocheya. And from there, malapit ka na sa terminal ng Hatoda. Second, kung may sasakyan ka naman, syempre mas madali all you have to do is pumunta sa Tanawan City, papuntang Santor. Then from Barangay Santor, makikita natin ang gasolinahan tapat ng isang hardware at doon po tayo papasok sa kanto na ito at diretso lang po padulo dahil sa ibaba pa po ang Hanopol Occidental, specifically yung Purok 5 kung saan nakalocate ang Eskinita. Then pag narating na po natin yung crossing tapat ng Barangay Hall at Chapel ng Hanopol Occidental, ay continue lang po nating bagtasin ang right side up until makarating tayo at makita natin ang signage ng Eskinita. And voila! Enjoy! And syempre, alam naman natin magugutom tayo. And narito rin ang ilan sa mga pwede nating kainan. Isa na nga rito ay ang partner cafe ng Eskinita Art Farm, ang local beans na located inside of the farm. Last visit namin noong June 2021. Noong opening nila ay pinatikim nila kami ng adobo pasta with kangkong leaves, coffee, cupcakes at marami pang iba. Kung asidi ka naman at pasta lover, may nakita rin akong pansitan sa tapat. So that's it for our memo content for today, guys. So if you have any questions, any inquiries, or any recommendations about life, art, and adventure, kindly comment sa ating comment box. And kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, ay please like, subscribe, and makikisampal na rin ang ating notifications bell button para lagi kang updated sa ating future contents. And so that's it for today. See you next time. Have a nice day and